Hello children, today I am going to discuss this question, which is a very common question that you have seen in class 8th and in class 9th as laws of indices. To solve this problem, we will use the fundamental theorem of arithmetic and 4 key laws of exponents. To understand the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, we see this. According to the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, every integer which is greater than 1 is either prime or can be expressed as the unique product of prime numbers. The second is laws of exponent. The first law says a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to am plus n. This law is also called product rule. Now the second is a to the power m upon a to the power n is equals to am minus n. This is the quotient rule. Now the third rule is called the power of power rule, where a to the power m to the power n is equals to a to the power n into n. Now the fourth rule is the negative exponent rule. A to the power minus m is equals to 1 upon a to the power m. Now let's apply this to simplify this expression. So using the fundamental theorem, we rewrite 16 as the power of 2, and we can write 16 to the power 4, 49 as the base of 7, that is 7 to the power 2, and 4 we can write as base 2 to the power 2. Now putting this value in the certain places, like 16 we can write 2 to the power 4, and there is already a power minus 3 on 16, so we write the minus 3 here, and 7, 49, 7 square and 7 to the power minus 3 divided by 4 to the power 2, we can write the 4 as 2 to the power 2, and since there is a power on 2, so we put the power 2 here into 7 to the power minus 12. Now applying the power of the power rule, we multiply the exponent. 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. So we write 2 to the power minus 12 into 7 to the power 2 into 7 to the power minus 3 upon 2 times 2 is 4. So we write 4 and 7 to the power minus 12. Now for the base 2, we use the law of quotient, the quotient rule. So we subtract minus 12, we subtract minus 12 and 4. So we get here 2 to the power minus 12 minus 4. Similarly, 7 to the power 2 minus, and since this denominator, the base is minus, so we put this minus in bracket and we write the 7 to the power minus 3 as it is. So this will give us 2 to the power minus 16 into 7 to the power 2 plus 12 into 7 to the power minus 3. 2 to the power minus 16 into 7 to the power 14 into 7 to the power minus 3. Now using the product rule here, 2 to the power minus 16 into 7 to the power 14 plus, and since minus 3 is in negative, so we write this in the negative as well. 2 to the power minus 16 into 7 to the power 11. Now we are using the negative exponent rule. So 2 to the power 16 we can write as 1 upon 2 to the power 16. So here the answer is 7 to the power 11 upon 2 to the power 16. Thank you.